Hi everyone and welcome to Section 7, Manage Identities and Roles on Microsoft Azure. In this video, we will learn how to use RBAC to control and manage permissions on Azure. Role-based access control are security policies that define what an administrator can access and what she or he can do. RBAC limits access to a specific task based on roles and allow more control of the permissions that are given to administrators. When it comes to security and permissions, it is recommended to give access to the needed resources only. We can apply RBAC to a specific resource or to the entire tenant. Microsoft Azure comes with predefined RBAC roles that you can add to your admin account. Demo. In this demo, I will add a user named Helpdesk Admin to the User Administrator RBAC group. Once a user has been added to the group, he or she can use all the permissions that are assigned to the group. To get started, open the Azure portal and click on Azure Active Directory. From the Azure Active Directory page, click on Roles and Administrators. From the list of roles, I will select the role I would like to add my user to. From the Roles page, I will click on Add Assignment and search for my user. Once found, I will click on Add to complete the task.